Hello friends, this is Priyanshi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share the recipe for eggless brownies. So without wasting much time, let's get started. For this recipe, the ingredients we need are 250 grams of dark chocolate, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of yogurt, 45 grams of salted butter, half cup of brown sugar, 5 to 6 drops of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a dash of espresso and some chopped walnuts. First we will melt chocolate with butter. Now we will let it cool completely. Meanwhile, in another bowl, we'll start by mixing brown sugar with curd. Now we'll give it a good mix. Now we will add in some drops of vanilla essence and the espresso. Now we will add in the chocolate and then we'll mix it again. Combine it well. Now we will add all-purpose flour, baking powder, and baking soda into it. We'll mix it together. Our batter is done. Now we will transfer it into a greased tin. Now we will top it with some walnuts. Now this will go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes.